This is the Rode SC6 Breakout Box for smartphones and tablets. Specifically how this works is in two capacities here. First of all, you can be able to host up to 2 different TRRS microphones. Now, if you're not familiar with TRRS, you typically can look at the very end of a plug, and if you see 3 stripes on it, that's TRRS. So if there's less than this, then that means this probably won't be able to work with that. But in an instance like the Rode SmartLav Plus, it's perfect for this, so we can fit it into either one of these things. Now, I said there was a dual purpose to this, and that is having playback. So when you have this plugged into your Android or your smartphone or your iPhone of some sort, the problem is you won't know what it sounds like until you unplug it and maybe listen to the dashboard audio, or you connect a set of headphones. Well, with this, you can actually plug in your microphone 1 or 2, doesn't matter, and also having the headphones here. So then you can go back and do playback. If you want to watch the video, you can hear the quality and such. So the Rode SC6 makes life so much simpler, and to be honest, it's just simple. You just plug it on in. And let's say I've got my headphones here. I can plug my headphones in here, and then all I would need to do is just plug this into the phone. Now, if you're using an iPhone, remember you're going to probably need to have a dongle. I'll show it on the screen here, and you got to plug that into the iPhone that way. So I give 2 big thumbs up for the SC6. It's really nice when you're interviewing a guest, having that extra port, and also having the playback, so that way I don't have to keep plugging and unplugging my microphone in order to check to see if the sound's any good.